Hey, it's Fizz with another free fun Friday. I figure after stealing $1,500 from Wells Fargo last month, let's switch to targeting US Bank for a bit. They've got a great chance to get a super easy $450 just for opening a checking account and doing a few steps. First, hit the link in the description to get to this page, then click Apply Now. Follow all the steps, make a checking account, link it to your main bank account, and within 90 days, make enough transfers to total $8,000. Now, I know it says direct deposits, but bank transfers count as direct deposits as long as you push them from the other bank. Obviously, if you pull them from US Bank, that doesn't count as direct deposit. And even better, you don't need to do it all at once. It's just a total. You can move the same $1,000 back and forth 8 times. You can even move the same $500 back and forth 16 times. As long as the total is $8,000 or more, you get $450. You have 90 days to do all of that, and then within 30 days of that, you'll get your bonus deposited into your account. Hurry, the deal lasts only until June 26th, and be sure to subscribe for more free funds.